So now our rotor is having a constant scraping all the way around the brake pad on the same side. And so what that means is that our brake caliper just needs to be adjusted. So we're just gonna loosen this screw here, just enough to move the caliper, not enough to completely unscrew it. And now that it can wiggle, we're gonna try and line it up to where there's an even amount of space between each of the brake pads and the brake rotor. We're gonna tighten one side lightly and then tighten the other side lightly. Just gonna work your way back and forth. If you do one side too tight first, it'll pull itself in and it'll be hard to adjust evenly. And then if you're still hearing a light scrape after that, your brake rotor could be slightly bent. So as you can hear, the scraping is on rotation. It's not happening all the way around the tire. So we're only hearing it right here and not on this side. And so what we're gonna do is find where it's scraping up top in here again. Find when it starts to bend a different way than the rest of the rotor. It's right there. And then we're gonna bend it back by just lightly pressing here. And then we're gonna check that sound again. And still hearing a slight click in there. So we're gonna give just little light pushes all the way around it. Let's try and make it even. And now we don't hear it anymore.